Guangzhou is the leading manufacturing base of medical equipment. In early spring of 2010, our company and American Campo Medical Equipment Hong Kong International Group reached a strategic cooperative partnership. Qiaoxin, a well-known company in Guangzhou and China that produces medical equipment. Since its foundation, it makes full use of its technological and talent advantages. So up until now, it has researched and produced 5 brands products with over 30 series through the efforts of the experts at home and abroad by combining the body's biological principles, modern microcomputer technology, and traditional theory of Chinese medicine. The Qiaoxin computer intermediate frequency channel therapeutic equipment has reached the international advanced level. After being applied at 3 hospitals for the treatment of rheumatic arthritis, cervical spondylosis, and other common diseases, its curative effort is obvious. The operation is easy, and the safety is ensured without adverse efforts. So it receives high praise from the hospitals and patient. Liu Zulin is the professor, doctoral supervisor, and chef of the rehabilitation department of the 3rd affiliate hospital Sun Yat-sen University.
The Qiaoxin computer intermediate frequency channel therapeutic equipment has been put into clinical practice for over 10 years. Our feedback on it is favorable. The therapists and the patients think it is helpful to cure apoplectic sequelae and other similar disease. We sincerely hope Qiaoxin will provide more high-quality medical equipment to hospitals and patients and to make more contribution to the case of rehabilitation medicine.
Huang Guangzhi is the postgraduate supervisor, professor, and chef of rehabilitation department of Zhujiang Hospital.
We mainly treat for pain and brain trauma. There are many patients and many ways, but after we use the Qiaoxin equipment to cure the pain of cervical vertebra and lumbar vertebra, the effect to relieve the pain is great. It is also good in neuromuscular treatment.
Duan Junfeng is the postgraduate supervisor, professor, and chef of rehabilitation department of the General Hospital of Guangzhou Military Command of PLA. The Xinhua News Agency used to publish special report on the good treatment of Qiaoxin equipment. Qiaoxin Company sticks to the principle of green in health and leading technology. It continuously strives to develop new products. Currently, it has established a set of strict technological process and scientific quality management system. In the Qiaoxin workshop, the modern component production lines are arranged orderly. Each link and working procedure from production, assembling to check, and package are strictly followed and checked to ensure the quality.